Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a top tip that will help you think about finance in the most practical sense. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or you're looking to improve your finances, this tip will help you make more informed decisions and achieve your financial goals. The top tip to think about finance in the most practical sense is to create a budget. Budgeting is often seen as a tedious and time-consuming task, but it's actually one of the most effective ways to take control of your finances. By creating a budget, you can track your expenses, identify areas where you can save money, and prioritize your spending based on your goals. One way to make budgeting easier is to use a budgeting app or software. There are many free and low-cost options available that can help you track your expenses and create a budget. Some popular budgeting tools include Mint, Inab, and Personal Capital. Another tip to think about finance in the most practical sense is to automate your savings and investments. By setting up automatic contributions to your savings account or retirement fund, you can make sure that you're consistently saving money without having to think about it. This can help you stay on track with your financial goals and avoid the temptation to spend money on unnecessary purchases. In addition to budgeting and automating your savings, it's also important to educate yourself about personal finance. There are many free resources available online, including blogs, podcasts, and YouTube channels, that can help you learn about budgeting, investing, and managing debt. Budgeting. Creating a budget is the cornerstone of personal finance. By tracking your expenses, you can identify areas where you can cut back and save money. This can help you free up funds to put towards your financial goals, such as paying off debt, saving for a down payment on a home, or investing for retirement. When creating a budget, it's important to be honest with yourself about your spending habits. Don't try to create a budget that's too restrictive or unrealistic, as you're more likely to abandon it. Instead, start with a basic budget and make adjustments as needed. For example, you may need to increase your food budget if you have dietary restrictions, or you may need to adjust your transportation budget if you have a long commute. Automating your savings and investments. Automating your savings and investments is an effective way to make sure that you're consistently putting money towards your financial goals. By setting up automatic contributions to your savings account or retirement fund, you can make sure that you're saving money even if you forget to do it manually. When automating your savings and investments, it's important to set up contributions that you're comfortable with. Don't contribute so much that you're unable to pay your bills or enjoy your life, but don't contribute so little that you're not making progress towards your goals. A good rule of thumb is to save at least 10% of your income, but this can vary based on your individual circumstances. Educating yourself about personal finance. Finally, educating yourself about personal finance is crucial to achieving financial success. There are many free resources available online, including blogs, podcasts, and YouTube channels, that can help you learn about budgeting, investing, and managing debt. When seeking out financial education, it's important to be discerning about the sources you're using. Make sure that you're getting information from reputable sources that have your best interests in mind. Some great resources for financial education include NerdWallet, Investopedia, and The Balance. So, those were some practical tips to help you think about finance in a more practical sense. Remember, the key is to focus on what you can control and take small, consistent steps towards your financial goals. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or you've been working on it for years, it's never too late to make changes and improve your financial situation. So, start implementing these tips today and see how they can help you achieve financial freedom and live the life you've always dreamed of. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and advice.